Question: how do you upload and embed a video from YouTube into Brightspace? Second question is, how do you resize that video once you put it into Brightspace? There are tons of videos on YouTube explaining exactly how to upload and embed that video, but I have yet to find a video explaining how you resize a video. Luckily, I figured it out, so stick around and I'll show you how. Now, I know this isn't the normal type of video that I'm used to putting out on my channel, but since it was something that I figured wasn't already out there on YouTube and something that I thought would be useful for a lot of you guys watching, I figured I'd throw a video together very quickly to walk you through how simple it is to actually change the size of a video in Brightspace. I've been doing this for years in Blackboard. It's the learning management system that I'm most comfortable with, but as I'm learning to use the Brightspace D2L learning management system, they're kind of a learning curve, and as I've been playing around with it for the last month or so, I've been able to figure out some things that I thought might be very useful. So I'm just going to go ahead and share my screen with you so you can see how this might be done. All right, this is our main page, and I could do the embedding of a video into an announcement. I could do it into an HTML document, but I'm going to do it for the purpose of demonstration just in an announcement because I think that's easier to be able to view the video once I put it in side by side with another video. So right here you could see the welcome orientation video for the class as the top announcement. But I'm going to go ahead and click on this button right here that says New Announcement. I'm going to title the announcement, let's just say Myth Lecture on the Aeneid. Now I'm going to go down to this little icon in the content section, which is the HTML source editor. Click on that, and this is where I'm actually going to add my video. But what I need to do first is find the video. So I'm going to go to YouTube. I'm going to find my lecture on the Aeneid, which is right here, and I'm going to go down to this area that says Share. Once I click on Share, it's going to open up this little menu. The first circle here is called the Embed section, and when I click on Embed, it's going to give me an embed code right over on the side. Now, I don't need to highlight that and copy it, but I do need to copy it, and the easiest way to do that is to go ahead and hit the Copy button. Now that I've done that, I can close that out, return back over to my announcements, and I can paste that code into the HTML source editor. I can do that by simply hitting Control V or by right-clicking. Once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and save it. Now you can see in the window here that the video is already embedded. I'm going to go ahead and publish that, and it should show up right at the top of my announcements page. But notice how much smaller that video is compared to the video in the browser below. You may have also noticed that there was no option to change the size of the video once I embedded it. So let me show you how we could do a workaround. Since it doesn't give you the option to change the size of the video, I'm going to go ahead and create a new announcement. I already have my video saved, so I'm going to just go ahead and again type the Aeneid. You have to give some type of headline, and then I'm going to go back and do this again, but watch what I do differently. I'm going to go down to the HTML source editor, click on the source editor, paste in my embed code once again. Now, here is what I need to do. I need to edit the embed code, and it's actually very simple. If you notice at the top of this embed code, there is a width and height number. I'm going to change the width number, let's just say to 800, and the height, let's change that to 450. I want to keep my aspect ratio pretty much 16:9. I'm going to save that. If you notice, it's already looking larger down here, but I'll go ahead and just publish it so you can see a side-by-side comparison. Okay, so here's the original video that I embedded. This is the new video at a larger size. It is that simple to go ahead and resize your videos. Like I said, that's all there is to it. Pretty simple. If you think this information was useful, helpful, then go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new content that might be coming out on the channel. Thanks for watching.